Hey guys, Raj Sango, Cardi Security. Welcome back to the channel. Now, Blaze just messaged me and said he's got something special for me to have a look at. So let's get into the shop and check out what this special product is. Blaze.
What's going on?
What's happening?
All right.
So, what have you got for me?
Something very, very special. So this is Focal's brand new P60 limited edition speaker set, specifically designed for the brand new Porsche 992.
Ooh.
So this is derived from their Utopia setup. So they're top spec speakers, but with all of the collars and plugs and everything to make it direct fit for a 992.
So why have you called me in?
I thought you could do a review.
Oh, so you want me to do a review of this particular product?
Yeah, I think you should do the review.
Okay.
We'll see how that goes.
Okay guys, let's get this into our media room and I'll do a review of the Focal P60 limited edition speakers. Hey guys, Raj Sango, Cardi Security. I am here to do our Tech Tuesday video with something very special. Focal P60 TH anniversary kit. When I refer to anniversary kit, it's to mark the 60th anniversary of the 911. First came out in 1963, September 1963, and we are now in 2023. Now, to mark the anniversary, Focal have manufactured and released a limited edition run of only 911 units to mark the 60th anniversary. So in this box, we have that Focal 911 kit. So I'll open the box, show you the contents, including the amazing carry case that is supplied with the kit. And then we'll delve in and I'll show you the speakers and we'll go a little bit techie. So guys, sit back and hopefully you'll enjoy this episode. And there we go guys, a lovely, could you call it a flight case? So guys, this beautiful suitcase, that's what I'm gonna call it, is made out of leather and wood. And when you open it, you'll see the contents. So, limited edition 911 kit, and each kit is numbered. So there's a signature plaque inside, and this is kit number 132 of 911. Before I delve into the contents, let me talk a little bit about the car that they're designed for. So it's designed for the 992 variant, the Porsche 911 992 variant, and more so cars that have the Bose system. Now, if you don't have the Bose system, you can still use this kit. It'll mean you'll need to buy an aftermarket amplifier or a DSP amplifier with a processor. So these will work fine off the Bose amplifier, but to get the optimum out of this kit, you could ultimately replace the Bose amplifier. Again, you'd have to look for a DSP amplifier or a separate good quality amplifier. This kit is designed to replace the front speakers in the 992 and the dash speaker. If you want to upgrade the rear speakers, there are additional components that you can buy through the Focal range, such as the Utopia range. However, it's not just limited to the 992. It will fit the 991, and most of the 991s don't have a center stage. It will also fit the Cayenne, the Taycan, and the Panamera, although you'll need to do some adjustments to the collars and so on. But it's specifically designed to fit the 992 variant. Right guys, let me now start showing you bits of the kit that are included. So the kit comes with 2 8-inch woofers, 3 4-inch mid-range speakers, one for either door and one for the dash, and 2 tweeters. There's also a quick start guide in the suitcase if you'd like to install it yourself. And there's a little Allen key here which allows you to remove the kit from the suitcase because they're all secured in place for transit. So guys, let's start with the 8-inch woofers first. So these are the P60 WF 8-inch woofers. Each woofer has its own unique engraved serial number. The woofers handle 200 watts max power each, 91 dB sensitivity, they're 4 ohm, and the frequency response is 35 Hz to 500 Hz. They are a W-shaped composite sandwich cone with a butyl rubber surround. You've got the aluminium spacer rings, so these are already fitted to the speakers, which allows easy installation into your 992, and they have a neodymium magnet. You've also got plug and play connectors to make it easy to wire into the 992. So now let's move on to the P60 MED 4-inch mid-range speakers, one for each door. These speakers, 100 watts max power each, the 87 dB sensitivity, again 4 ohm, and the frequency response on these is 150 Hz to 2.5 kHz. They're manufactured from the same material, which is the W-shaped composite sandwich cone, and you've got butyl rubber surrounds. These weigh only 250 grams each. And then you have a pair of tweeters, one for each door. These are beryllium inverted dome tweeters, and they will provide crystal clear treble and give you a captivating level of detail. Handle 100 watts max. They are 93.5 dB sensitivity, again 4 ohm, and frequency response on these is 2.5 kilohertz, all the way up to 40 kilohertz, although obviously our ears cannot hear at that level. They weigh only 50 grams as well. Now, some of you are probably asking, why would I upgrade my Bose system in my brand new 992? You know, I paid a little bit extra to have the Bose system. Well, it's just like any Porsche model. You know, you have, as you go up in the range, you have better specification, better performance, better materials used, better components used, and obviously you end up paying a premium for that. Now, Focal are renowned for making speakers. In-house sound engineers, these guys know what they are doing, and this is potentially one of the best kits on the market available at this moment in time. If you've spent best part of 70, 80, 90, 100K plus on your Porsche 911 and you like your audio, you know, you possibly spend a fair amount of time in your car, why not upgrade the audio? Just make that driving and that listening experience that much better. So guys, I know you're probably thinking, well, how do we know the difference? You've not given us a sound demo. Well, at this moment in time, I've not fitted this to a 992. As I said right at the outset of this video, there are only 911 kits available worldwide. This is kit number 132. We've already sold a couple of kits, and we have this one, obviously, which I've shown you guys, and a couple more in stock. There's no guarantee that we are getting any more kits, and once they sell out, they are sold out worldwide. If one of you would like this fitted to your car, then I will do another episode where we will install the kit and do a before and after sound check. And finally guys, this is my first tech video. Normally I'm talking about cars. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you need to know a little bit more about this particular kit, there is a link in the description below which will take you to our website. So the price for this Focal P60th limited edition speaker kit is £3,600. There you'll find more in-depth details on this particular kit and also fitment. If you're unsure of fitment on your car, as I mentioned, there are some of the Porsche models this kit will fit. Just drop us an email, details are below, and we'll let you know what additional components you may need to purchase to fit this kit. Any other advice you need, obviously, drop us an email, give us a phone call. Any questions or comments, drop them down below. If you like this video, smash the like button and drop a comment below. This is my first tech video, guys, so take it easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you share our content and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Normal service will be resumed as Blade will be back to handle all our Tech Tuesday videos. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on another episode on CAS TV.